In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in Xero. Let's dive right in and make this task a breeze for you. To get started, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. Now that you're in the Xero dashboard, you should see all the organizations you have access to. Simply select the organization where you need to log the expense. This will take you to that particular organization's dashboard, showcasing an overview of financial activities. Next, look towards the top menu bar for a tab labeled Business. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, click on Expenses. This is where you manage all your expense-related activities. To log a new expense, find and click on New Expense, which is generally highlighted or placed at the top of your list of expenses. If you're tracking expenses by employee, you'll see an option to select the person who made the purchase. This can be crucial for ensuring each expense is attributed to the correct person, especially in larger teams. If it's a general business expense not tied to a specific employee, go ahead and select your account or the business's name. Now, let's add in some of the finer details. Enter the name of the merchant or supplier from whom the product or service was purchased. This can be helpful not only for keeping records straight, but also for analyzing spending trends with specific vendors. After entering the supplier, move on to the date and total amount of the expense. This information should correspond with the receipt you received. Speaking of receipts, it's a good idea now to attach one. You can typically upload a digital file, or if you're using a smartphone, take a picture directly. Attaching receipts is a smart way to ensure you have backup documentation right there in Xero. Following this, you have the option to add a brief description of the purchase. Remember, the more descriptive you are, the easier it will be to recall what this expense was truly about if questions arise in the future. To classify this expense accurately, choose the relevant account category like office supplies, travel, or utilities. Categorizing properly helps in financial reporting and analysis. If this expense has already been paid, select the bank account from which it was paid and enter the payment date. If it's an upcoming or unpaid expense, just leave the status as awaiting payment. Finally, you're ready to save or submit this information. Choose Save to simply log the expense, or choose Submit if you need someone, like a manager, to approve it. Once saved or submitted, you can always revisit and review all your expenses by returning to the Business tab and clicking Expenses. Here, you'll find a list of your entries, including those that are saved as drafts, so you can manage and tweak them as needed. And there you have it, a thorough guide to adding an expense in Xero. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master this essential accounting task.